Hey everyone, we are going to do an unboxing of the Caffeine and Legends book box. I got this is actually the December box, but I loved it, so I really wanted to get it. So these boxes include either coffee, tea, or hot cocoa, or all the above. So I have a little insert. First thing is there's space candy. You got rainbow orbits. So rainbow orbits, they're freeze-dried fruit candies. They kind of look like Skittles. Then we have packing peanuts. Then we have Every Coffee Has a Story. This is Tried and True filtered blend. It's chocolate strawberry smooth. And they give it to you in bean form. I have a bean grinder, so I'm very excited to try that, and I'll probably try that and let you guys know about it in this video too. Okay, and then finally we have the book, which is a soft cover, which I do not. Ooh, there's another thing in here. I've been wanting to try these. Okay, before I get to the book, this is one of those dish towels that's like you could reuse it and it doesn't smell weird or anything like that. This is super cute. It's got little sweaters and stuff on it. That's adorable. Okay, I didn't expect that. So then we have the book, and it's very loud, I apologize. So this is These Burning Stars by Bethany Jacobs. I'm very excited about this. One of my favorite audiobook narrators, Natalie Nadas, she narrates this, so I'll probably be listening to it too, but I am very excited about this. It's a sci-fi. If any of you have seen the books of the year that I did, most of my books are sci-fi. You get the book, the coffee, I got a little dish towel, and the candies. I kind of want to try one of the candies, so let's see. It says they're freeze-dried, so they're little things that look like they were they were Skittles. Oh my god. These are delicious. It tastes just like Skittles, obviously. But you know when you have a Skittle and it's that chewy texture? This is like perfection. Now to try the coffee. Be right back. All right, here we go. That's good. I'm trying to see if I could get any notes of anything. I do put French vanilla creamer in my coffees, but all my coffees. It's good though. Oh, I got a little bit of the strawberry in there. That's good. Out of everything, the candy, the coffee, the book, the little dish towel. Oh, they give you recipes too. I know this is backwards now. They give you recipes too. That's super cute. This is my first box for this. I will be getting another one in a few days, and I will do another video about that one. That one is actually the January box. This one was the December box, so they did have previews of this box up before I purchased it. However, the new one, I don't know what it's gonna be. They're very like sci-fi fantasy themed. I like more sci-fi than fantasy. I've been getting more into fantasy lately, but this one I am very, very excited about. So out of everything that I have here, I would 10 out of 10 recommend this. Be sure to follow to see more unboxings and more book stuff.